Another great tool that Griffin GPS offers is the What If feature. This feature allows you to hypothetically change your major, minor, or concentration. To use this tool, click on the What If option in the left-hand menu. You will then choose the current catalog year from the drop-down box. Once you do this, your current program information will auto-populate if you currently have that information on file. However, you can still change this information using the drop-down menus. As you can see, this student is currently pursuing a criminal justice degree with a corrections concentration. The criminal justice program and the major, criminal justice, is auto-populated after selecting the catalog year. If this student wanted to see how changing their concentration would affect their graduation progress, they would select a different concentration in the drop-down menu. These menus will populate the possible concentrations depending on the major. Instead of selecting corrections, which is the concentration the student currently has on file, we will select juvenile justice. Once the information is entered, you will click Process What If at the top. This will generate the What If audit. As you can see, the What If audit looks the same as every student's current audit. However, you will see the degree information we entered at the top. Here you will see that the student is 9 credits away from completing the concentration in corrections. If we go back to the What If tool, we can select a different concentration to see how close they are to completing that concentration. If we would have chose the administration concentration and clicked Process What If, you would see in the concentration block that they would still need to complete 14 credit hours. This tool can also be used to change major information as well. For example, if the student wanted to change their major to political science, they would scroll down and find BS in political science, select it, and as you can see, the major would auto-populate. Here you will see the concentration drop-down menu is grayed out. This means there are no concentrations available for this major. After we process this What If, you will see the information updated in the Student View header, as well as the blocks below updated. As you can see, the student is pretty far away from completing a major in political science. However, if the student did want to change their major to political science, this would give them an idea of how many more courses they would need to complete in order to graduate. It is important to realize that generating this report does not officially change your academic program. It just shows your hypothetical student audit if you were to make these changes in your program. This is a great tool to use if you are considering a program change. It is also a great way to find out if you are close to completing an additional minor or concentration. Many students complete their major requirements and then have to also take additional courses to meet their total credit hours required. This is a great way to find concentrations or minors you can complete in order to meet the total credit hours required. If you have questions about your student audit at any time, feel free to contact your advisor or the Degree Audit Systems Coordinator in the Registrar's Office. The phone number is 816-271-4216, or feel free to email griffingps@missouriwestern.edu.